Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am so excited. I got my anniversary present from my hubby. Scott and I will be married 26 years come Wednesday. And it's like, wow, where to go? And he asked me what I wanted for my anniversary, and I told him, and I showed him, and he's like, cool, get it. And that is the Think Learn 100-watt cordless full-size glue gun. And it came. So let's open it. It comes in this nice little carry bag. Let's do that. So cool. Hot pink. I love it. I love it already. Voila. So, get the directions. You get some glue sticks, a couple gold ones, that pink, and you also get a little mat, and then this is the part you plug in. Here's the battery. Cool. Here's the gun itself. And I needed a new glue gun. Because I tell you, look at my small one. It has seen so much. Man, I wanted one where I didn't have a cord. And I've had cordless ones before. But I didn't want a cordless one. I wanted one that I can recharge. I'll have to figure out how to do this. So let's look. Yeah, that's what user manual is. So let's see. Okay. On and off right here. Okay. We take and then we. So we'll just have to slide. Boom! Slid in perfectly. This you press, comes off. Slide her in. Of course, have to line it up. Oh, and it's already juiced up. Look at that. Right into indicator light. See how long it takes to heat up. I'm excited for this. And it's not that heavy. I thought it'd be heavier. But it's not. That's cool. Glue stick in. Boom. Okay. Charge the battery. Plug the battery into charger and plug it in. This time the red indicator light on the charger will be always on, indicating that the battery is being charged. After about 2 hours, the green indicator light charge will be always on. Oh, so right now it's saying it needs to be charged because it's red. When it's green, it's charged. Okay, well we know. There we go. Yeah, well, this is the light here is green. Yeah, about 2 hours. If the green indicator lights off, the charger will be always on, indicating that the battery is fully charged. So I have to charge it. But I thought I'd just share it. So I'm going to do that today while I'm out. I'll plug it in and charge it up. It's not that heavy. It is. I'm hoping they come out with a thin tipped one, but the tip doesn't look that bad. So you get a mound of glue sticks, the silicone mat. That I don't know if I'll use it. I might use that for mixed media. I have a flatter silicone mat I could use. Man, that look cool with mixed media. Look at them hot pink glue sticks and glue. And I had a $10. They had a $10 coupon, or coupon you could use, and then it brought it down to like 49, I want to say. So it is Think Learn company. Think Learn. They even have a drill set. Screwdriver. It's pretty cool looking. But I wanted to share. So I'm going to go plug this in a spot and charge this battery so when I go to use it later. I can. I like that it has this little bag, but I doubt I'll put it back in the bag. I might use that for something else. But it's cool, isn't it? So we'll go like this. Release. There's a little top heavy without the battery in, just so you're aware. And we are going to. Oh, I have to figure out how to charge this. I put it on a charger. I would imagine it's the same way. But I could be wrong. Okay, let's see. Okay. Boom. Now it's on the charger. And I'll plug her in. It does have this right here. I'll figure out what that is. But I want to thank you guys for watching this confusing lady I am right now. But I wanted to share this. I did get it on Amazon. Sorry about that. A little cough there. It is on Amazon. And if I can link it, I will. So I'll plug this in. And we'll let it charge. I like that I can put this in. And they got extra battery too. So I think that's I'm going to buy an extra battery so I can always have one charged. What is that thing on the side? But thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.